Hello, greetings to everybody. Welcome to the official presentation of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 on UK Prime Time. My name is Gabriela and I'm from Hungary and I have been part of this community for quite some time. I feel honored and privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all on this special evening. This is not just any ordinary night, as it is the official launch of our brand new product that our entire community has been eagerly waiting for. Before we begin, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all our new guests who are joining us for the first time. This is the time for you to make a new start. I also quickly acknowledge the presence of all the rank leaders, trainers and mentors, all community members who have joined this call and made it special. We understand that the house is already full, so for those who cannot attend our live Zoom call, here we are sharing the YouTube link to this event in the Zoom chat. Please share it with your teams and your community. Now the moment has arrived. Here we are with the much awaited product's official launch and the resurrection is now. With all the gained knowledge so far, this time the relationship is different, full of life, full of joy. With that being mentioned, let us invite our special keynote speaker. He is the CEO of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, a 29-year-old technopreneur from India who has been setting a benchmark in this crypto and blockchain industry. His perseverance and passion about technology is clearly visible from the products and technologies he is delivering, that which is helping the community thrive in this unpredictable crypto world. And tonight, he delivers yet another exceptional product. Now, without further ado, it is my absolute honor to introduce the creative genius behind this thriving organization. Please help me welcome our esteemed CEO, SHAVEZ. SHAVEZ, a warm welcome to you and the floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gabriela. Well, yes, today is a really special day. I welcome you all to UK Prime Time. Today's UK Prime Time is really going to be historical because today we are going to drop the product. And as we have, as a tech team, now experience of delivering such incredible products uh, in both industries, uh, I now feel like the process is getting smoother and smoother, better and better. We as a tech team, we are becoming really good at this because this product that you are going to get today is completely ready. Like previously we delivered few products where we first stated beta versions, test variants, and so on, like the life cycle of the product. And we learned from the life cycle. And today we are going to deliver the MVP straight away with the mobile applications, everything full stack ready. Last week, I started the narration of the product. I started explaining the product, what it is going to be, how it is going to be, without even telling you guys the name of the product, without giving you the basic feature functionalities, without the introduction of a product. And I started to explain the industry, the genesis, the inception of product. In last two Zoom calls on Wednesday and Friday, I took you guys over to the past, where and how we started building it, and on what lines we started finding something that can actually work, because we were not in uh, any aim or target to deliver something. We were in quest of developing a proper product, and that's where without any market pressure, we built something really incredible. So I want to present today, yes, the Boomerang 2.0. We have renamed it, and today is the day when you have the first look of the product. So like last two calls, I had been explaining the whole process, the life cycle of the product, the lines on which the product is built. I called it ingredients last week. How many people remember the ingredients that we talked about in Friday Zoom call? Okay, perfect. Seems like we have good students in the house. Well, I have been following the pattern of educating the community like this, so I have right to ask whether or not you guys did some research, did your homeworks or not. So how many people did actually went on internet or consulted an AI tool, my friend, and tried to ask what is HFT, what are algos, all the ingredients that I gave you guys over. 34, only 35 people went on internet or read my document that I published. 52, all right. 67, 70, 80, amazing. All right, if it is more than 10%, then we have the whole, we cover the whole globe. Okay, perfect, amazing. Yeah, close to 100 people. Great, incredible. So today's explanation, see, first I did Vietnamese Zoom where I explained the product. Then I did Indian prime time. I explained the product. Then it's UK prime time. And now I'm going to explain the product, but I'm going to be a little faster in explaining because this is the time when I will show the product also. And I will give you guys also the URL so that you can access. So unlike Vietnamese and Indian prime time, it is going to be faster explanation. Then we will uh, go on the product and understand everything step by step, what I explained in last 3 Zoom calls. Uh, okay, today's document is also very interesting. First one was the toxic relationship. Second one was making secret sauce. And this one, the final one is you deserve a platform that doesn't lie. Uh, okay, so these are the concepts on which the product is built. Now let me take you guys towards the explanation in a deeper level. Okay. Ingredient list. Last week I gave you these pretty much cover summarizes our whole product. So you guys understand a little bit what the product is all about, but you were not able to put all these blocks into the puzzle and make it one or complete it just like we did as a tech team. So this is important for you all to understand as well. How did we put together all these elements which are the key ingredients of this product? Okay, one by one, let's go. Before jumping into the ingredients and understanding all these ingredients and the synergy of ingredients, I would like to first, uh, you know, uh, clear some questions that are generally there in the market, in the minds and hearts of people who are investing, who are using, who are consumers of any investment platform, trading platform where the money is involved. And these questions are in everyone's thinking, just like I've written here. But no one answers out loud. So I'm going to answer the questions out loud and then we will jump into the ingredients. So we have heard about every doubt, every story, every broken promise. This is where it ends. So can any platform legally collect retail investments? No. And most of them are doing it illegally. Our product operates as official broker partner of Binance and Bybit, just like last week Farda told you guys. That's not marketing, that's regulatory structure. How do traders earn? Or how do investors earn? Traders earn through performance-based sharing only if they generate profit. Investors earn identical results from strategies they follow. As simple as that. What if the market crashes? Will the platform still survive? Yes, because our product does not rely on inflows, locked funds, or hype cycles. We are built to track and facilitate performance, not manufacture it. Do I need to be a trader to use our product? Not at all. You simply sign up, complete your KYC, select a strategy, and the system mirrors trades on your behalf automatically. So these are the basic questions that I wanted to answer and clear your head before putting together these pieces and making the puzzle complete for you. So these were not just product problems, these were structural problems of this whole industry. And our product was built as the answer. So let's understand the product. Okay, perfect. So introducing our product. A product born from real questions, but with real answers. What is our product? Our product is a next generational social investment platform that connects investors with high performing traders through fully transparent AI powered profit sharing model. In 2 lines, I have described the product, and these are the 2 lines you need to send when someone asks you what is the product. It was designed to deliver verifiable trader performance, provide secure custody-based investing, leverage AI for strategy evaluation, and enable identical result for all investors. Operate with licensed exchange-backed ecosystem. This is the whole summary of the product. This is the product. How many people understood the product now? Based on the explanation, based on the Zooms that we had previously. Oh, great. Nice. Amazing. Oh, impressive. You guys are going to a good school. Perfect. Amazing. Then we jump straight to the product. We don't we don't explain the presentation. Okay, no, I will do that. I won't do just injustice with the explanation. This is really required. These explanations, initial narrations are necessary. Why? Because they phase out all the questions that you receive afterwards when you operate and when you promote the product. So this is very important. Take out your pen and paper. Keep making the notes as well. I'm going to pass on this document to you guys anyway. Perfect. So let's start. So why our product is different? Everybody says, yes, my product is different. Everyone says, oh, I am different. So our product is also different. And why? It's built on trust, truth, not trust. Every performance stat is backed with exchange verified data, not screenshots. AI-powered performance scoring, our proprietary product score evaluates traders on real behavior, not just profits. I'm going to blow your minds today by showing you guys our scoring uh, algorithm that we have built in the product. Custody first investing. Your capital never leaves the exchange, no wallet transfers, no middlemen. Profit sharing, not signal chasing. You earn directly alongside top performing traders. With identical execution, our product brings social finance with structure. This is not another influencer-led leaderboard. It's scalable, institutional grade platform with for retail investors. So our ecosystem is powered by verified exchange partnerships, Binance Bybit, artificial intelligence, machine learning scoring engines, our product score, real-time strategy discovery, secure broker level infrastructure. Our product is not a tool for trading. It is the architecture for new kind of investing. So now let's understand each and every ingredient of the product, and we will put this together and bring the real picture of the whole summary that we discussed initially for understanding these two lines. Our product is a next generational social investment platform that connects investors with high performing traders through fully transparent AI powered profit sharing model. This is the whole product in two lines. Okay. Ingredient number one, liquidity. No liquidity, no product. We started where it mattered the most. Liquidity is the oxygen of financial markets. Without it, trades don't fill, slippage eats returns, arbitrage collapses, investors get struck. Most platforms overlook liquidity or assume it exists. And at our product, we don't make that mistake. We did differently. What we did differently, we built the product on top of centralized exchanges where 70 to 75% of global trading volume in crypto takes place. And that too in the biggest ones. Access to deep pools. Through broker level infrastructure with partners like Binance and Bybit, we connect to high volume, real liquidity pools, not fragmented, shallow order books. Institutional volume, retail access. This means our investors on our product benefit from the same depth and pricing environment as pro traders and algo desks. Because now you got the access. This is the power of social finance. The result, every trade executed through our product is backed by real market depth, ensuring accurate fills, low slippage, identical execution across investors, no volume-based degradation of returns. Everyone who is investing, everyone who is a part of the service is getting paid equally. There is no discrimination. There is no parity in terms of profits to the investors. Ingredient number two, HFTs and algos, the most important part. The market doesn't move on feelings. It moves on code. Why HFTs and algos are non-negotiable? Today's trading is driven by speed, logic, and scale. High-frequency traders and algorithmic engines control the majority of trading volume on centralized exchanges. They operate with microsecond execution, rule-based strategies, risk-adjusted precision. Emotion, guesswork, speculation are not part of this formula. What our product does with this, we don't compete with the HFTs. We curate HFTs. Our platform features only vetted high-performing algorithmic strategies and traders. Every algo is tracked, scored, and verified. Retail access to institutional engines. Through our product, investors don't need to write a code or co-locate servers. They just plug in, allocate, and earn. HFT algo traders on our platform, on our product are evaluated for these HFTs that we have evaluated for you with our score are evaluated for profitability over time, risk exposure, asset growth, consistency and drawdowns, strategy type, spot, future, hedged, and these parameters are, you know, uh, I would say the backbone, or you can say the integral elements of understanding or rating how a trader is performing over time, not just by seeing the profit. It is every element that matters when you are rating them. And I'm coming to our rating engine, how efficient it is. I'm going to blow your minds today. All right. Ingredient three, the marketplace. Not a list of traders, a discovery engine for capital allocation. What makes our product marketplace different? Most platforms show a leaderboard. We built a real marketplace, one that connects capital to performance with structure, depth and transparency. Marketplace features, strategy discovery. Users can explore a curated range of trading strategies from low volatility, spot-based models to aggressive future-driven engines. Real-time stats. Every strategy include live metrics. AUM, profit loss, win rate, drawdown, risk level, payout consistency and more. There is risk categorization as well. Our product does not show profit, it shows risk adjusted profits so that users can allocate with context. You don't blindly invest. You don't blindly participate with any service. And then identical execution. All users connected to a strategy receive exactly same performance. No delays, no slippage discrepancies. I have invested $1 million. Someone has invested $100. We both made, let's say, 10%, 20% in 3 months. I am going to receive 20% according to my investment, and the other guy is going to receive 20% according to his AUM. No discrepancies, identical execution of profits. Every strategy is verified. So performance is not self-reported. All trading history is pulled from exchange level data, making it tamper-proof, transparent and reliable. When I will show you the platform, you will see even in our platform when we migrated from testnet to mainnet and when we onboarded these HFTs to our platform, you will see even migration line in the chart of their performance because it's coming from exchange. We have not created this data. It's their performance in last couple of months and years that you are going to see. And on the basis of their performance, we score them. This is really, really interesting. Okay, can't wait to finish this fast and then move on to the product. All right, ingredient 4, transparency. What most platforms fake, we engineered that. Why transparency is non-negotiable? In current trading ecosystem, in Forex, in various crypto trading platforms where money is collected, pooled and traded, most platforms offer screenshots instead of source data. Aggregated leaderboards without audit trails. Selective disclosures that hide drawdowns, risk or leverage. This leads to blind investing and misplaced trust. At our product, transparency is built in. Verified exchange data, all performance stats, P&L, drawdowns, trade, frequency, asset exposure are pulled directly from centralized exchanges like Binance and Bybit. No hidden metrics. What you see is what trader actually did. No marketing stuff, no cherry-picked results. Trade level visibility. Investors can review historical execution from entry, exit points to leverage used and timeframes. Always on performance tracking. Our product score that I was talking about, the machine learned algorithm, it updates in real time to reflect current standing, not just past glory. 1.2 million trades in real time are monitored with our score. You will see in the product and it is pretty impressive. It's dope. Investor experience upgraded. Know the trader's risk profile. You will get to know this trader, this HFT is a low risk. This is medium risk. This is high risk. This may be very low risk. And then you can understand strategy consistency and avoid leverage performance hiding behind a green P&L. So, and then you can make your decision based on facts, not hype. Ingredient 5, social finance. where trading isn't just followed, it is shared. What is social finance? What is SoFi at our product? SoFi isn't about co-hour or producing signals or hyping influencers. It's about bridging traders, investors in shared transparent value system. How we built social finance the right way, real profit sharing, investors earn identical results alongside the trader. Not a version, not a simulation, but actual performance. Aligned incentives. Traders are rewarded based on success. If they win, everyone wins. No performance means no payout. Full risk visibility. Investors can choose strategies based on personal risk appetite, not guesswork. Credibility over influence. No likes, no followers, just ranked, validated score traders based on data, not popularity. This isn't about popularity. This is about, finding the data that matches with the matrix. That's it. So this is investing as a network. Everyone is connected by performance. Everyone operates under the same execution logic. Everyone participates with security, transparency, and shared upside. Ingredient 6, fund security. Your capital should never be at risk from the platform itself. So the problem with most platforms are investors often have to transfer funds into third-party wallets. Funds are pooled, exposed, or worse, mismanaged. No visibility, no accountability, no real custody. In short, users take on the risks they did not sign up for. Sometimes you hear in the news that some people, they collect money, create a trading pool, they bought bitcoins long, and then price goes down and everyone is like, okay, uh, Merry Christmas and done. So this is something which is the prime most important thing, that is security of the funds of end users. So what our product brings, what our product does it differently, custody stays with you model. Investors never send funds to our product. Capital remains securely within trusted centralized exchanges, Binance Bybit, under your own control because you KYC'd on our platform, and then exchanges, they generate a wallet for you. And when you deposit funds, you also get to see your transaction hash when you deposit from outside to our platform, and you will see the funds from that transaction goes directly into the exchanges. And it's on your command, your control. No one can take out. It's under your KYC custody. Broker level infrastructure. As an official broker partner, our product uses exchange native infrastructure for tracking, allocation, and execution without touching your capital. No smart contract risk, no bridging, no transfers. Execution is fully handled within the secured environment of your account. Automated strategy linking, no manual, not manual fund movement. You link to a trader's strategy via API access or brokerage integration, seamless, instant, and safe. That's why we did not build all these things. We went to the best ones. So this is where there is no third party between you and your funds. You, your custody, and that's it. Ingredient number 7, exchange broker program. Yes, you all might have uh, got educated enough from last time when I explained the broker program, and I hope everybody who did some homework in last couple of days might have more clearer understanding as to how and why and on what lines it works. It's not just a feature, it's a foundation for legitimacy, access, and scale. What is a broker program? Like uh, like I mentioned, and like Google or AI says, most trading platforms are surface level integrations. Our product is built on direct broker level integration with major centralized exchanges like Binance and Bybit. This isn't partnership in name, it's infrastructure access. What it brings? It brings verified exchange level performance data. With this data, we it comes directly from Exchange APIs. We process it. No room for manipulation, no room for inflated numbers. Secure trade execution. Our product operates within the exchange environment, eliminating custody and third-party risk. Marketplace of curated strategies. Through broker access, our product can offer exposure to growing network of vetted HFTs, algos, and strategy providers, the backbone of the platform. Eligibility to build social finance products. Of course, it allows us to build social finance products. Broker status is what enables profit sharing, data access, and API-based investment models. None of this is possible without deep integration. Why it matters? Most competitors are UI wrappers. Our product is built into the core trading fabric of centralized finance with the same access as institutional platforms. Let's move on to the eighth one. This is our hero, our product score. The scoreboard, which the industry never had until now. What is our product score? Uh, Our product score is product's proprietary performance intelligence engine, a smart ranking system to evaluate, sort, and surface most reliable HFTs across the platform. It goes beyond profit. It measures how that profit was made, how consistently that profit was made, and at what risk the profit was made. This kind of analysis, this kind of deep, uh, you know, play around numbers we have never seen before. So how our product score works, let's see in detail. Our product score works uh, on machine learning and live exchange data to evaluate strategies across multiple real world factors. First one and the most important, that is profitability, daily, monthly, yearly. And this is what you guys are going to see on the platform uh, when I'm going to show you after this. Risk to reward ratio, asset growth and drawdowns, Sortino and Sharpe ratios, strategy age and volatility, leverage exposure and win rate, spot versus future behavior, trade consistency and payout stability. And it does continuously adapting in real time to market dynamics. As I mentioned, it tracks 1.2 million transactions in real time to fetch this score for you. And this is a gem that we have built. So why it matters for the investors? No more guesswork, no more chasing returns without understanding the risk. You get to discover traders based on verified, weighted performance, not hype, not screenshots. Our product score is not just a ranking, it is a filter for trust, performance, and capital worthy strategy. Updated in real time, sourced from exchange data, and built for actual decision making. Next, and finally, now that you understand all these ingredients and why did we put together all these ingredients, a final puzzle takes its own shape now. So this is our product experience that you are going to have couple of minutes from now, where every piece works together by design, not by chance. What you are actually getting with our product isn't just a product, it is an entire ecosystem purpose built to solve the most fundamental problems in investing, social finance, and trading. I, I'm going to reread this. This is really, really important. These two lines, they summarize the intention, the motive of the product. It is an entire ecosystem uh, purpose to, purposely built to solve the most fundamental problems in investing, social finance, and trading. And this is it. This is what we wanted to do. Here is how the experience uh, flows from user onboarding to intelligent allocation. Sign up, stay in custody, discover verified traders, evaluate with context, allocate with confidence, track performance, stay in control. That's it. Withdraw anytime, change strategy, adjust allocation, all performance tracked, scored continuously. If you want to reinvest, compound your profits every day, you have the option to reinvest. And you have a choice also to determine whether or not you want to invest the full. You can reinvest 10% up to 100%, 1%, 2%, anything. You can select or you can withdraw all. It's all your choice. If you want to turn this into your a pension fund, you can. Uh, every strategy that you have in your mind can mold into this product. Every plan that you have as your financial goal can fit into this product. So what do we have under the hood of this product? Broker level infrastructure, AI driven scoring, custody safe access, social finance alignment, marketplace scale, institutional transparency. Now we understand what we were building. So, okay, let me finish this. Okay, we are at the end where I'm going to explain the whole secret sauce that is not secret anymore. Okay, so 1 minute. Perfect. All right. So the not so secret sauce, like we discussed in the previous call, we put together all the ingredients by our conversation of 1 week. And then on these ingredients, I explained the whole product. I explained each and every ingredient individually now, and every ingredient built with intent. All of it working in sync, the full ingredient stack of our product. See how beautifully these ingredients they collaborate and they fit together into the puzzle and complete the product. And now I'm going to show you guys the similar ingredients, all of them one by one in the product. All of you are ready? Everybody ready? Let me see. Okay, perfect. Okay, so before jumping into the product, I'd like to explain why it works, because each ingredient solves a specific failure in the industry, and together they create an ecosystem that's investable, scalable, and trusted. This is the key takeaway of the product. These two lines I'm going to read after the end of this call again, and I'm going to ask how many people agree with these two lines on why it works. So let's now jump into the product. Are you all ready? Let me see. Okay. All right. So final day, big reveal. If you guys want a break of 2 minutes, 5 minutes, drink some water, or maybe. Okay, how many people understand the product completely? They think they are confident enough. If you are confident enough, then raise your hand. Super confident people who understand the product properly. Raise your hands. Let me see. Okay. Trashit, let's randomly ask a couple of people what do they expect and what do they think about the product, and then we will see if they're right.
Let's do this. You would like to choose?
Anyone? Uh,
We
you
have
let's ask,
LV.
let's ask Eunice.
Eunice, over to you.
Hey Chavez, how are you? Listen, I was checking the two manifest, previous one, you know, and then now that I see more like a concentrate, all the information looks like a very disruptive product, legal product with all the, with the, we heard about products like that for the last 3, 4 years,
Mhm.
but never accomplished transparency, liquidity, and performance. You know, sometime liquidity was there, but the performance wasn't there. Or sometime they couldn't find the biggest or the best trader on different areas. I'm very curious right now how this works, because you say something very interesting. That can be a good strategy to people who wants to have a retire fund or an investment platform with all the license legal and with the top of, to verify or getting the top of the best trader or best strategy through the all the data that you can get through, Binance and Bybit. I'm just curious to see the next step,
You
or
understand?
the next script.
Right, quite close, Eunice. Quite close. Really, really. I appreciate you guys listen to me what I say clearly. Oh, all right. So, anyone else who would like to share what they understood so far? How do they imagine the product? Let's hear from Bhavna. It's so late.
Bhavna, you may unmute,
Quite close,
please.
Eunice.
Yeah, hi, good evening everyone, and I'm so happy to hear Matho, okay, I have to keep it in English only. So I'm so happy. I was waiting like anxiously for this product, and I had a call with Lucky G also. And overall, Chavez, this is a very I think it's a very interesting product, and I feel that I have never been I have never gone through any of the trading products like deep into the things, and for the very first time, I've listened your webinar of Wednesday, Friday, and I've gone through everything. And yesterday also I was just listening to everything. I was trying to understand what you are trying to say, HFT, algos, and everything. So sure, finance, like overall, I feel though I still have to learn a lot, but still overall, I feel it is going to be a very interesting product, and this is what we were looking for, and I think in India we are going to blast.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
definitely. We are going to. How many
yeah.
people from India? Raise your hand. Let me see how many Indians on the call. How many people from India? Okay. All right. You guys gave up your sleep. Pretty good. Impressive. You guys are going to take home something really, really incredible tonight. Amazing. Perfect. And there might be many on live, YouTube live as well. Perfect. How many people from Vietnam? Let me see. Because I left you guys with the explanation. How many people from Vietnam? Vietnamese people, raise your hands. Okay, there are a bunch of Vietnamese people who could not sleep. All right. Okay. Nice. 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 Amazing. Amazing. Perfect. All right. So uh, now let's dig deep into the product. First, I'm going to go through the whole website, and then I'm going to show you guys the tool, the product, and I'm going to give away the URL so that you can play with it. Right now, there is staging going on in the backend to the website. So if you click on login or sign up, don't do that right now. The staging is going on right now, but you can do everything what I explained. Go through each and every trading strategy, find out what they have done in last 6 months, 1 year, everything, every stat, every data, scores, everything is there. Even the mobile applications are ready. So, and when do you have to start KYCing, start registrations? Maybe, couple of hours from now, you can start. Then on WAS, when we start, these questions will come. I'm taking all these questions, okay, before, because once I'm going to give the website, nobody's going to listen to me. Okay, so on WAS, I know you guys want to start with the product, the trial version, the 1 month free trading pass we have created in WAS. That also you have to subscribe. That is free, but you have to subscribe from your WAS back office, and then you get the access to the product, because this product is only for our community. This is an exclusive product that I built for our community. So for free access also, you need subscriptions on WAS. When are we going to push the subscriptions live? You guys tell me when. Uh, in 1 hour, in 10 hours from now, tomorrow, on Friday. Okay, we will decide, because everything is ready. But I just want you guys to digest it one by one, not to face indigestion because of, all the information that you will not go through the whole life cycle of understanding the product. So I have designed that according to my experience so far in launching last a couple of products with you guys. Same people, same me. Okay? Okay. Prashit, what do you think? How it's gonna be?
Can't wait, SHAVEZ.
Okay.
Enough is enough now. Please deliver the product.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let me show you guys. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. All right. So product is protocol yield. Why it is protocol yield? Uh, I'm going to explain. Let's go over the website first and read everything what we have written, uh, and why protocol yield. What is the product? You understand. How it works? You understand. Little bit. But how it works, you will understand more when I will show you the software. All right. So this is the landing page, protocol yield, building a cutting edge social finance landscape with Pi score. Pi score is our score that scores. This is our proprietary algorithmic score that we have curated for all the HFTs, and it in real time it goes through close to 1.2 million transactions. This is really, really powerful. So enjoy profit sharing, secure fund custody, and guaranteed identical returns with low entry barriers and complete transparency. Okay, how is it so far? Let me unmute everyone. Okay.
Awesome. Awesome.
How is it?
Let's go, Shavez. Keep going,
So
keep
far,
going,
exciting.
Shavez.
Amazing,
Waiting
amazing.
for this.
This looks amazing.
Amazing, amazing.
Maravilha, maravilha.
Oh my God, wow.
Enhorabuena.
The big
Opa!
share.
Vamos ver se
Bravo,
funciona.
Que
bravo.
maravilha.
Great.
Nice.
Great, bro. Great product.
Parabéns, gente. Parabéns.
Thank you.
Perfeito.
Come on,
Muito
people.
compañero.
Hello.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Shave Brazil.
Hopefully it's coming.
Okay. Okay. Now let me. Okay. It's really fun. This kind of fun we have not had from last couple of months because so many things going on. Now that we have the complete ecosystem ready with this product. We are complete now with this product on CFI and DeFi side. Okay, ready? Okay, let's let's dive into the product. This is, okay, this is powered by Bybit, Fireblocks, uh, AWS. We are using servers, then little yellow logo of Binance coming in. So these are the tech partners. These are the tech partners that we are using. I hope you all understand we cannot put these logos like this. So yes, this product Pi protocol yield is powered by these brands, these tech providers. Um, Innovate, analyze, succeed. At Protocol Yield, we don't just provide access, we provide clarity. Our product evaluates and ranks trading strategies using verified centralized exchange data, covering everything from P&L to drawdown to asset growth. Like I said, 1.1 million trades are analyzed in real time. We have analyzed more than 680 trading strategies through our Pi score. Our advanced solutions enhance efficiency, mitigate risks, and optimize portfolio performance for professional traders and institutions. All right, so these are on the landing page, we have put some strategies that have been part of, these are HFTs that have been, working as services on our product. Blackwood Capital, then BTC Alpha, then Purpose One. We will dig into deep and understand what these services they provide, what kind of HFTs they are, what kind of profits they have drawn, what kind of risk they have labeled with. Pi score, which is going to start developing when you start investing also maturely. It has been developed with their past records. This level of transparency I'm going to explain today, it is going to blow your minds. Okay, let's not get into detail. I'm going to come into detail. SoFi driven infrastructure powered by protocol yield. Our machine learning engine does not analyze, it learns, adapts, and ranks traders using proven metrics like P&L, volatility, risk-adjusted returns, and more. The result? Smarter investing decisions. Zero guesswork. A growing global community relies, of course, you all are going to be relied on protocol yield. And this is how we are going to offer it to the masses, millions of people. Pi score is more than a leaderboard. It's performance intelligence engine. It's built for transparency powered by AI. Pi score ranks traders based on actual trading behavior, not on asset, not on assumptions. It analyzes real-time data like profits, risk exposure, asset growth, and consistency, while factoring in leverage, volatility, and payout history to deliver a comprehensive performance profile. This is how out of 100 pi score is calculated. There are numbers which derive out of 100. So this is how the marking or scoring of pi score takes place. 5 points for day in profit, beat the market for 12 points, zero leverage is 2 points, asset growth 6, payouts 18 points, risk 25, high profits 30, prime asset 2, profits 30. This is how 100 out of 100 the score is determined. All right, so why protocol yield is the smart choice for your investments? I explained. Trade with verified experts, earn daily profits. Yes, get paid every day as your trades are executed and closed. Start investing with just $10. Low entry barriers make it easy to grow your wealth. Start with $10, go compound for next 10 years and take out a fortune. This is where your journey to your financial goals, it starts. A platform you can trust. Connect your email for seamless communication with customers. No monthly fees, no surprises. Only pay a small percentage of your profits, nothing more. Funds are in Seifu and secure. What is Seifu? This is Binance Asset Fund for users. This is called Seifu. Users, your assets are fully protected and stored through our partnership with Binance Seifu. So you can also Google it, how Seifu works. All right. Enabling the future of social finance. It's very simple. Sign up, connect, discover high-performing traders, copy or customize strategies, monitor, optimize, and profit. That's it. Very simple. These are a bunch of blogs. See, I told you it's a ready product. Team has even written everything. Social media promotions already, done. App ready. Everything is freaking ready. These are the few questions. There are bunch of extensive Q&As as well that are on help page. We have already formulated, we have already curated them. This is a newsletter box that we have submitted. We have provided for you to get some insights from the market from time to time. And we are going to send you newsletters regularly. Okay, so the bottom section presents FIRE blocks as leading security certifications. All the certifications are mentioned that we have acquired, and then a registered company on which we have registered by and the license number of the company, which is transparent. You can check on internet. All right, so this is the overview of the product. How is it? Then we go on the backend, then we go on the app and check. All right, what do you guys think? How ready it is? David, what do you think?
It's amazing. It's incredible. Wow.
All right,
Super.
the app is more amazing. The real thing. Let's get into the real deal. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. So this is it. Okay. These are the 5 best HFTs for you to start with. And then we can keep on adding. We are monitoring 1.2 million transactions in real time. We have created a list of 650 HFTs, and these are the best ones. And now I'm going to show you how you assess them, how you check them. These are the top traders, top profit sharing services that we have started. So one by one, we will go into all the services. Okay. Login, sign up. We will see later. Okay. If you guys want to see, this is how you sign up. You complete your KYC. It mentions funds are protected, SAFU, official broker partner, everything. Okay. We have done translations as well. David, we have done Dutch as well, Spanish as well. The platform is fully ready. Tomorrow we are going live because Vietnamese was little difficult. So I'm going to do integrate Vietnamese hopefully by the weekend. So the platform is in these languages already. David, let me make it friendly for you in Dutch. This is it.
This is German.
Oh, this is German?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that's different for, it's Dutch and Deutsch is, yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay, okay. Okay, we'll do that in Dutch also. You translate for me and I'm going to do that. And this was very easy. All right. So, okay, let me stop sharing, then go back. If I give the URL, then you are not going to listen to me. I know. Okay. Okay. Coming back. Share my screen. All right. So now we are going to go into these services one by one. Okay. So let's go to one service. This is how you see the whole service overview. Okay. Let me explain that one by one. So the platform is going live today. So 0 investors. Okay. Last 1 month profits, 6%. Last 3 months profit, 21%. Last 1 year profit, 170%. Low risk. Okay. Pi score. This is pi score. Okay. Profits, risk, service, balance. What we cover in the pi score. Okay. Listen to me everyone very carefully. This is very important. One time you understand, you won't ask anymore. Okay. So in pi score, when we say profits, we analyze their profit. We score them out of 15. Then we score their beating the market chart. If the market is going low and they are going up in their strategy, in their trades, they get out of 5 ranking, which this trader has got 5 out of 5. Days in profit, 191 days, consecutively, this strategy has been in profit. So it has got 3.6 out of 4. This is the level of transparency even before the launch of the product with 0 investors. That's why I said we have created a scoreboard. Sortino ratio, since trading is now, investors are going to get on board, it's out of 3, which is 1.5. Then we go on risk. How it's not just like we have rated risk out of 30 and you just see what is out of 30. No, we show you, we give you the breakup of the breakdown of the markings. Spot only, this is a spot strategy which gets 2 out of 2. Max drawdown slippage, this strategy gets 9 out of 15. Paid claims 1 day, 5 out of 5. Sharp ratio 2.8 out of 8. Since now the trading will start, these numbers are going to change real time. This is raw data from their previous. Now I'm going to jump on previous history. Okay. Their service marks. This is out of 25. The growth, asset growth. How many people are investing and reinvesting in this service? Since there are 0 investors, it is 0 now. Investors will get on board. This asset growth mark will increase out of 2. Let's see how much numbers. Assets, this is $1,000, $1,100 of asset that we have put to push the service live so that we get these numbers. After the migration, we need to sync. We needed to create this pi score of this service. That's why we put $1,100, $1,100 to check live data of this service, of this HFT. Investors growth 100%. Age of this strategy, age of this HFT 410 days old. This strategy got 2.4 out of 3. This is the service marks, which is going to, of course, increase when the assets are going to grow. And when the asset growth are going to grow. What kind of asset growth is there and how much asset is growing? So I think 18 and 2, 20 more score is going to come. So the pi score is going to change, in real time, after every closing also. When these services, they pay you out every day. Then it's balance. Balance means balanced profit plus risk. Since there is no trading right now, so it is 0. Risk reward ratio is there, which is 9 out of 9. That means against the risk, what was the reward? This is the lowest risk strategy. Now let's understand what's there in the charts. Okay. So like I said, if we go on 3 months chart, I told you guys that we migrated the services from testnet to mainnet. In the chart, we cannot even remove this word migrated. And see, on 13th night, we migrated. And at the time of migration, the graph went flat. And then here we put $1,100 to reactivate the service and start it. It is that transparent. Okay, this is done. Now let's go to the 6 months P&L. 96% profits in last 6 months. And if we go, this is not just charts, this is date by date profits. December 2024, November, last 6 months up to September. If we go on 1 year data, then we see August. See, there are negatives also, right? This is P&L, profit loss with compound. So there are some negative days as well. And then see, this data is from April, March, March 26, that is today's date, whole year. Okay, now we go on all. Okay, so we collected, we can see data from Feb 8th, and then this strategy went live on Feb 9, 2024. This is the P&L compound of this whole strategy all time. Okay, now let's go on 3 months. Sorry. Okay. So P&L compound, now we will do, okay, what do you want to know? Daily P&L of this strategy. How much money they daily, how much P&L they daily produce. Okay, this is their daily P&L of all time. This is data. I cannot, and this is date by date. So if we look at 3 months, 1 month, 3 months, okay? This is the daily P&L. This is where we were migrated, okay? Now everybody knows the date of migration also, 13th February. That's when I said product is ready. Okay, I have the evidence. The product was ready. Okay, so this is when we migrated, and this is the daily P&L of this. See, $48,000, $12,000. This is loss also. See, and this is a huge, strategy. And we can check this daily P&L of 6 months. Then we check all time. This is how you see. And this is the result of last 1 year. How much transparency and data work we have delivered in this product. This is very simple. No, we did not try to complicate at all. Very clean, very simple numbers. That's it. Here, every retail investor, normal human being with the numbers of, with the understanding of numbers that 5 is bigger than 2 can understand and invest and multiply and make profits. Very simple. No science, no rocket science behind it. Okay, let's go daily P&L percentage. This is the daily P&L percentage. 6%, 1%, minus 1%. And then we see 3 months when market was kind of, see, after migration, this is where we migrated. Then this is where after March 11, we activated these services for our community. And then in last couple of days, look, when we migrated, when we reactivated, this is the time when market was in the shittiest time of its whole, inception. And this strategy made loss only 1 day of minus 0.4%. Rest of all the days, this $1,100 that I put to activate this service have been multiplying. Okay. Daily P&L we have done total balance. This is the amount of balance that they will trade. You will get to see that as well, that how much money that this strategy has been trading. It's not like, you cannot know, or I can write something at this data is from exchange. And that's why it is 0 here. See, before migration, it was around $430,000, maybe in this variant of this strategy. And then it went to 0 on 4th February. And then we migrated. Once we migrated, it started 1100 on March 7th. And this 1100 has become $1,170 till now. $1,168. See, this $68 is my profit till now. Okay. All right. This is not it. When you will click on all, 6 months, total balance, 1 year, total balance. you will see the history of trader in last 1 year. Understand, this level of data integration we have driven with the help of only centralized exchange APIs. This is not our job to bring data. This has been the most convenient source and most reliable source that we got our hands on. That's why, if you guys remember my Wednesday presentation, that we got the data. And when we got the data, we started getting after the brokerage program. That's how we started building it. So such level of transparency. Then number of investors, 0, because this, now you guys will start, it will start popping numbers one by one here. This is the pi score mechanism. This is the strategy description, what they use. This is about the manager of the strategy. This is apex of Bitcoin HFT. That means they only trade Bitcoin. And when you go here on their label, you see BTC Alpha, they trade on Bybit and they trade on futures. Okay. So you can now know. So this is the description. This is their unique selling proposition. You guys can read. I'm going to pass on the website anyway. Spend time. You guys have the website. This is about the manager, BTC Alpha, our lead architect and strategist. It's the driving force behind. This is how they have described their core infrastructure, what they are using, what kind of technology, how high performance computing cluster, real-time on-chain, off-chain data aggregation. This is not easy. This running HFTs is not piece of cake. Predictive order book modeling, adaptive quantum trading, fortress risk management. This is why it is low risk from last more than 1 year, right? 400 days. This trader, this HFT has been low risk. House infrastructure and monitoring, cloud native architecture, real-time monitoring and alerting, data lake and analytics platform. Bitcoin's alpha expertise in HFT and AI quantum inspired computing principles combined. So these are prestigious elite group of institutional trading houses that runs these HFTs. And that's why I did not get into creating another one. Come on, why two? When I can score them, easily, and then bring them over to you. This way we could offer more than, like I said, we evaluated more than 628 HFTs so far. Instead of bringing one, I can bring, I can bring more than 600 to you guys, maybe 10 every 6 months, and then we keep on playing, and we will realize together profits like this every year, every freaking year. And imagine you compound on this every day. This is crazy. I'm telling you guys. Last 400 days, this strategy has made 956% profit at lowest risk. This is real raw data. This is percentage PNL in compound for this trader. Eunice, you want to say something? Okay, let me stop sharing my screen and talk to you guys a little bit. We have a long time, okay? I'm not leaving.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
Perfect. That's good, Chavez. That's good. Amazing, Chavez. I just think you just say something amazing. Imagine do a compounding with 170% a year.
Mhm.
That's amazing. That's, you know, is incredible. This is one of the things I wanted to say to you. Thank you very much. Very impressive. My question is regarding the, as you know, Binance and Bybit, there is some areas or some countries that they didn't work. The KYC, we do that through the
No, no.
protocol deal.
Yes. Yes.
We don't go directly to the exchanger to do it. We do it through the protocol deal.
Yes, you do KYC with protocol yield. And I'm going to cover everything about onboarding, about how to start, what to start, 30-day trading pass, what is free, what is not free, how much is
Okay.
it, everything on Friday, okay? Let's see, listen, understand the product. This is important. Jumping
Okay,
on
but Chavez, but the question, meaning everybody can jump it into
everyone,
the product. Everyone. Okay, it's no such thing like because Binance is not available. I don't know in US.
no.
People can still do it. KYC and works to on the protocol yield. No.
Okay, so no such thing, and I'm going to cover everything, Eunice, on
Everything.
Friday. Let's
Okay.
discuss about the product. How many people uh, have? Did I blow your mind today? I mean, did we do something?
Yeah, it's amazing, Chavez. It'll tell you something. Because some people say, oh, it's like a copy trading, but is I don't know if you can call it like that, because you actually go and pick the best strategies over the data and bring together in a curate strategy. I don't know. We can call that copy trade, or yes,
No, no, it's not copy trading. It's profit sharing.
profit sharing. Okay, thank you, Chavez.
So, Eunice, it's not at all copy trading. It's purely profit sharing. Copy trading marketplace is different. Uh, Copy trading is a different dimension. When I presented Friday's, call in the presentation, I highlighted few of the, no, on Wednesday call, I explained copy trading, why it failed, and why it is not going to work. It is working till it's working. This is a marketplace of HFTs, and where you invest and share profits with them equally. If they make 900%, you also make 900%. This is through a broker program that enables social finance. You invest, you take your returns with them equally. Like the two lines, if you guys remember, the first two lines of my, okay, let me take you guys back before I speak to you guys again. Okay. So first two lines of my presentation, our product is next generation social investment platform that connects investors with high performing traders through a fully transparent AI powered profit sharing model. That's it. This is it, right? Okay. All right. Anyone else? What do you guys think about the product? Joe? Chantal?
Hey, Shavez.
Unmute, please.
Hey, Joe.
I can't turn on my video.
You can now.
There we
Joe.
go. Fantastic.
Joe, yeah.
Shavez, it looks so professional and it looks so amazing. That
the 8 months of last year, that roller coaster was worth the roller coaster ride to lead to this product. I think without doubt what you've learned from that 8 months has obviously given you the ability to create another amazing product that we can all be proud of. The question I have, what I'm not completely grasping is, if we're not transferring our funds anywhere and we're holding them on Binance in our wallet, how are our funds being used to trade, and how are the profits generated for us?
Okay, so these HFTs, they have access to the trading accounts, and when you have access to the trading accounts, you cannot withdraw, you cannot access to the funds, but you can trade with it. And this access is with us. And we are partnered with our broker license. So the wallets are generated from Binance, you deposit, and it goes into the trading account, they trade, and then we pay them their success fee when they make a profit, and it is divided. So as on all the strategies you see, there is success fee of 50% written. So according to this, 50% profits are split between you and the strategy. And this is after the profit. And this data is after the profit.
Okay.
This data that you see, 956% in 400 days, this is after taking the success fee. That's why it is identical. When I said identical couple of times in the explanation, that would not have made sense there, because the success fee has to be same for them or equal or different for them, but the profits are identical.
Right.
And this success fee is going to also variate according to the subscriptions that I'm going to cover on Friday. So let's not go into subscriptions now. We have made it more easier, but this is how it is.
Okay, I'm going to sound really stupid, and I do apologize for sounding stupid, and for everybody, but I'm still not getting. So the funds are in the wallet. Okay, so they're not withdrawing the funds from the wallet to trade. Are they using like a virtual access? Is it like a virtual access to the funds?
No. So I'll tell you. I have a Binance account. Okay, I have a trading account in Binance or Bybit. I can create a sub account, and if I have a corporate account, let's say, I can create a sub account and give it to one of my employees that is trading. He cannot withdraw, he cannot transfer, he can only place orders over the strategy that I have described.
Okay, I understand.
Withdraw, who can withdraw? Only you can withdraw. Who can distribute the success fee? We as a platform can distribute the success fee to the trader and to you.
Okay, so it's trading against the funds that you've got in the wallet, but it can't be withdrawn or taken out or anything. It's simply traded against those funds.
Let's say you invested today, and I will explain how trading works. And after 3 days, let's say your first profit comes, and it's a 3-day cycle. So every 3 days, I will explain. And then you can withdraw every day. Let's say you have made some percentage of profit today. Tomorrow you can withdraw. Today also you can withdraw, and next day your funds will not be up for the trading. That's it. You can withdraw anytime. That's your money. You're in your custody.
And you can withdraw as much as you want, 5%, 10%, 100%.
Yes, you can. You have $101 today. You can withdraw $1. You can withdraw 99. Keep 10 there. 10 is the minimum.
Amazing. Okay. Thank you so much, Chavez. That's my question. Thank you. Another, you know, Chavez, just another reason to be proud to be part of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 and your leadership.
Thank you so much. All right, Chantal.
Wow, 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 Chavez. You have proven that you can truly disrupt this industry. I love the way you are showing the foundations are completely shifted, because for investors and for trading, transparency and seeing the building blocks, it's what every crook is trying to hide. So you are blowing open just at once the mystery of how the rich and powerful are making a shitload of money and how the kind of us who are having to count beans are excluded. You always said democratizing, you always said access, you always said on the forefront, and you always said real. I know that I put my reputation and everything on the line for you, and today you gave me my return. So I'm super grateful to you, to your whole community, and wow, I had to say this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.
Now you guys can comfortably bring in anyone. This is the, I think, first investment engine that we have delivered. Till now, I had not delivered any product that can give you profits every day, or I mean, that's how this industry have been running like. So I had my, uh, you know, search. I had my journey in finding the right and the best product. We tried once, we failed together.
Absolutely.
So I did not
We,
want.
we were in partnership, and we are in partnership. And this shows that you are an innovator, and that we are having, I always say, we have a development team on our fingertips. Who has that? Who has a development team on their fingertips in network marketing? We have, and it's real. And yes, sometimes we are up, sometimes we are down, but we're not giving up. We're on the forefront. I thank you, everybody, including everybody who was with us on this journey. Lucky, Trustee, Financial Freedom Team leaders, Joe, everybody and every individual. But you kept going. I know you had sleepless nights, and I just want to honor you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Chantal. It means a lot. This is what keeps me going, and I'm not going to stop.
Thanks, Chantal. Next we have Bhavna.
शावेज जी क्या प्रोडक्ट बना दिया आपने हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ मैं hats off to you, hats off to you. Actually I think we Indians were looking for such a kind of product, and I am abhi like I have to learn a lot, but like the first impression of it is like anything, and it's a very brilliant product. I should say like it's a very sensational product in the market, I should say. You have introduced, and like lot of things to learn, and I'm sure like this Friday a lot of questions are there in my mind, but this Friday I'm going to like I think we are going to learn a lot. But like till now the first question which is coming to my mind is I would like to know that like the people, like if we are investing in any of the HFTs, say we pick up one HFT, so who is trading? Traders are trading, and when the profits are achieved, earned from that from a specific HFT, it is distributed equally amongst all the all the investors, I should say. Is it like that?
So I'll tell you. So if there is one HFT,
Did you understood what I'm trying to ask?
so there is one HFT we had invested together. Let's say David put 10,000, I put $100,
Correct.
you put $1,000,
Correct.
and
Correct.
this trading house, this HFT has made, let's say, 20% in 1 month. So I'm going to receive 20% of $1,000. You are going to receive 20% of whatever money. David is going to receive 20% of $10,000. like that, and it is going to be
Yes.
settled, and we can reinvest it or we can withdraw profits every day. If we reinvest,
Okay.
let's say today, okay, let me show you guys. Okay, are you guys interested in looking at it, or
Yes.
okay? So let me log in. Hang on. Let me log in with my credentials. I don't remember. I'm going to do hit and tries 3-4 times because I have so many accounts I was testing.
And in the meantime, you're showing like the scoreboard. I was just thinking, what is the use of the scoreboard? Now I understood.
Okay, so I've logged into my account. All right. So this is how you see particular service. So let's try to, okay, I don't have, okay, all right. Wait, let me bring some account which has subscription access. One moment. Okay, don't go anywhere. And we see trader information. This is actually my admin account. With this, I manage all the services. So you can see I have these profits already realized. Like I told David at that time, $1,100 investment, and then it has become $68. So if, let's say, Bhavna, you have put 1,100, $1,000, and you want to reinvest, let's say 50%, close to that, you can reinvest. If you want to add to investment, you can add to investment also. Funds which are there in your wallet, you can deposit more. If you don't want to reinvest, you withdraw, you click on withdraw 100%, and every day your profit will be withdrawn into your account on a daily basis. Daily profits are going to be settled. If you want to, do like 80-20, you want to reinvest 80% and withdraw 20%, you can do that as well. It's according to you, you know. So
Okay. Understood. So, like here, whatever amount we are going to put in, it that amount we cannot withdraw. That will be like
that
we can
also
keep using it.
that also you can withdraw if you want to
Okay.
from the service, uh, and that's how your investment will be out. You can withdraw anytime, but the profits you can put settlement every day. Understood? I'm going to explain this more and more on Friday, because
Sure, sure, sure. Got it, got it.
till
Got it, got it.
Friday, I'm going to have you guys do your KYC, complete your accounts, be ready. We push the subscriptions live. You get free 30-day trading pass, and you guys can start with $10 and check, and play with it.
Bhavana, anything else?
No, no, that's it. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Joe,
Yes, Shavez.
who's next? Joe?
Yeah, me again, sorry. Very, very important question here, Chavez.
Huh?
Can we withdraw to liquid pay?
Well, it's currently BP20, BEP20, it's Binance ecosystem.
Right.
So we have to do acceptance in liquid pay of BEP20, which is very easy, which is like a 1 week work for me. The drawdown that you see in the chains. So we have done all EVMs. Once you have self-custodian, non-custodial wallet update next week, to do BEP20, to do base is very easy. 1 week job.
Amazing.
So I'm going to do BEP20 also. You withdraw directly in your liquid pay. And life is sorted.
Incredible. Okay, next one is this exclusive for our community?
Yes, this is
So nobody from outside can just jump in.
nobody can jump in.
Okay, and and if you remember back to the early days of Boomerang, everybody was popping up everywhere with their version of this of their product.
No,
Could anybody copy this?
Jokes on them. You know. They can copy our website, but not the product. Come
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you again, Chavez. Amazing job.
on. All right. Next we have Grace. Hi, Grace.
Hey, Shavez, how are you?
Very good.
You look good. You look good. You sound good. The thing that I really appreciate, I love what Chantel has said. I love the questions. The thing that is really amazing that I appreciate so much personally is that you're bringing the future to today with the education that you provide, because we're learning and earning at the same time. You're making that happen. And so I just want to say thank you, because that's what I am taking away from this today. Stuff that now I know what social financing is. Who thought about that? A complete new vocabulary and things of that nature. But the education is top notch. So thank you very much. So I think you're taking me up to my PhD level now.
Definitely. We are going to do it together, Grace. The whole community, and I am trying my level best to bring the best to you guys. And I'm still trying. After all the deployment, I think I'm going to get a little more time. And in this time, I'm going to bring more for the community in terms of knowledge and understanding of our existing products. Because if we see everything from scratch from BTCC, I think it is still misunderstood, or it is not properly understood by everyone. So this is the most important and fundamental element of everything that you do, everything that is fintech, everything that comes with a paradigm shift, which is crypto. So I'm going to extend more and more of my time towards educating the community, probably after a month from now, because the whole circle is complete now. I'm really happy today.
Right? Exactly. And we talked about that, okay? How you have your vision and how you have brought that apart, and being able to articulate that to the community so that they understand that it took some time, but hey, you're bringing it back to the fundamental, the building block, the cornerstone that is BTC 20. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Grace. Means
Thank you. Bye-bye.
right. Who is next? Derek.
Can you hear me?
I can.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Chavez. You did it, man. Came through. I can tell you, Chavez, with all of the struggles we have, Chavez, one thing I can say about you, Chavez, you'd never run away.
Come on. That's
You
not it.
never. No. Seriously, let me tell you, you never run away, Chavez. We had some struggles and some setbacks, but Chavez, you are always here, trying. And I want to say, appreciate you, and appreciate your team for what you guys are trying to do to make this whole. It took you a while to get back to Boomerang 2, but Chavez, you did it, man. You gotta be proud of yourself, Travis. Honestly, proud of yourself. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Come on, do it. Do it. You did it, Travis. So I appreciate that, right? And I know that based on what I'm seeing now, that there was a lot that went on in the background to make this happen that we did not even know. We didn't understand how all this works, but you took the time out to explain this. I was one of them who were really impatient because I just wanted to see something happen. But again, today is a day that marks in all of our calendar that Chavez stood by and he walked it through and he made it happen with us. Appreciate you, brother, for what you have done. Now, the big question I know that is on everybody's mind, right, is that as we are going to go forward, Chavez, with this wonderful product that you have just designed and implemented, are we going to be able to use our Boomerang 1.0 money to get a subscription later on?
Okay. I'm going to explain everything on Friday about onboarding. Please don't worry. If I have worked hard enough and I have been assured everyone that I'm not going to leave anyone behind, this is something which I mean it. So stay here.
Okay.
We're going to sit together.
Okay. And Joe, answer my question, because one of the things that I don't want is for somebody to go copy what you're doing and just like they did in Boomerang 1. I don't want them to do that, Chavez. Keep it down, man. Lock it down, Chavez. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Appreciate you, brother. Take care.
Chavez, the list is going to be endless, people.
Oh yes.
Many...
Let's hear Mr. Abubakar, and then I explain more on the back end, and then I give you guys the website and the back and the software. You guys play with it till Friday, and Friday we meet again. Okay? Because I really want to sleep now.
They can understand your hard work and dedication, Chavez. Abubakar, let's hear it from you, and that will be the last.
No. I will hear from all of them. Hands up till Jayanti, till Eunice now, and then we will close. But before that, let me explain few more elements of the dashboard.
That would be great, Chavez.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Million thanks. Hats off to you. I salute you, all the people who are with affiliate marketing and with the WAAS. We feel proud of our company, of our CEO. And the most important thing is the team. I would like to thank your team, sir. We like to thank them very much. I hope the way you work, sure your team will also work the same way. Regarding the question, it is for me, because I'm a very, very common man. I'm not technical person. So it will be very early to ask any question. What I can find in this one is you have found a treasure. Treasure not only for you, you found a treasure for every member of this community. And this treasure is in a traditional way, the treasure, we find it one time. But here, every one of us found a treasure, and that treasure is compounding treasure. We found a treasure and we can build on this one. We can increase our profits, and it is really, really very good. And what we are learning, your teaching, and what we are learning is really in a very simple way. Such kind of projects, if somebody wants to create or learn, even to learn how to operate it, how to apply what you are telling us on the app or in this program, really it takes 10, 20 years to learn. You are giving it in a simple way we learn it in about few minutes or few hours. I would like to take maybe a longer time to talk, but I know you are tired. You need to sleep, and there are so many other hands are also raised. I have no word other than tell you thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abukaji. All right, so let's jump back to our demonstration, and then I'm going to leave you guys with the tool. Okay, so just like we saw BTC Alpha, so this is my admin account. So you guys see there are more strategies which we are assessing. So right now we have on public dashboard on the top traders, when we go, we have these 5 only, and we are going to bring more, time to time. And these are the best ones, which we want to start with. We can check. So let's say we go to Blackwood Capital. Similarly, their risk is average. Their pi score is different. Which they have submitted to us, unique selling proposition, their infrastructure, we have mentioned here, their chart, their PNL, we migrated, same day of migration for them also, 13th of Feb. Together, everybody migrated. And what are the days in profit? Is 501 days old strategy, which is working. This data is from Binance. Okay, now let's go back to the other strategy, Purple Swan. Let's review it. It's also average risk, all-time PNL 403%. That's pretty decent. Let's see how many, 428 days and 403%. This is crazy. this is this is really, really crazy. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want that? You put money and compound. Uh, this is their daily PNL percentage of all time, and that's how they paced it. This is data. This is pure data that we have been processing, that we have been channelizing with our pi score, and we rate them. We built a scoreboard. We did not become one of them. We brought all of them on board. So I think nothing can be better than this in trading. Our card is the best. Trading is, we have excelled it. See, this strategy is when we see their PNL compound yearly, they have made 107, because the market is so much fucked right now. They have, and this is so transparent that you can see different strategy, their model is different, their analysis is different. They are trading with different algo. Let's read. So it is information and dissemination, speed, high frequency trading, event driven. This is event driven algo which trades on the events in the market. And this might have huge bots and crawlers collecting events and information in the market and acting before you, acting before someone else, because these HFTs, they process in microseconds. They process trades, they execute trades in microseconds. You can also read their information about the manager, how they manage their pi score. And if I see their operations of 764 days, this is the oldest one here. Oldest one, 434% profit. Last 1 year, if we see 171% profit. And it's at average risk. So risk chart is going to be, determined by the pi score, and maximum is according to the drawdown that they have. This is the risk chart. So spot only, no. maximum drawdown, paid claims, Sharpe ratio. So maximum drawdown is 9 out of 15, uh, and it is 32%, which is in last 764 freaking days. You understand? This trader has lost 32% in one day maximum in his out of trading journey of 764 days. This is crazy, right? So this is what we are sitting on as a product. And then I encourage you all to do your research, play some with some numbers here, do your calculations, check what you can potentially do with this product, how much, how better you can shake the market with this kind of product. Let's see, Algo Rider. It is also a strategy where, um, if we see there, this is new. This is kind of new. If we see there all time, then it's March. This is new strategy, March 27, 2024. This is 1 year, made 104%. All time, same, last 1 year old. Days in operation, 335 days, not even one full year till now. Maximum drawdown, 32%. These guys are pretty crazy, right? We cannot match their speed. We cannot. And no trader can. These are institutional traders. These are institutional HFTs. That's why we call it high frequency traders. So their USP is on market maturation, exploit the price discovery mechanism, risk management. Okay. So they are doing inherent inefficiencies between futures and spot pricing to deliver consistent risk-adjusted returns. We specialize in futures spot arbitrage. They are doing future and spot arbitrage. These these guys have done, future spot arbitrage, and this is their manager, how they they have been strategizing it, key technologies include and their risk management system, what risk management systems they have. You can spend some time. You guys have Wednesday today and Thursday, and then we are meeting on Friday. This is your homework. Read, try to assess and relate data with their drawdown, with their age, with their balanced profit, with their risk reward ratio, everything. There are there are infinite permutations with this data that you can create. You can write a summary. Put this data into AI, it will write down a summary for you. Take a screenshot, send it to ChatGPT, it will give you, some kind of analysis according to this data of Pi score. Pi score is crazy. What we have built is something which is going to go really, really deep into the market. So if I want to check the Pi score of this, if I want to check particular Pi score of a strategy, I can click on Pi score here, and this will give me Pi score information. We have worked with details in this product. We made it ready, completely ready, flawless to go in the market. Even the app, iOS and Android, both apps are ready. So we have done a, fast and efficient work here. So 5 strategies, average risk, 4 of them, and 1 at low risk. Okay, you guys have a good, pretty decent playground to play. I'm going to leave this, explanation today at here. And let me give you guys now I can give you guys the URLs, and then we keep on talking. So URL of the website is pi.xyz, and this is going in the chat. Pi.xyz and app. Currently we are merging the app and the front end. So the app you can access, the app that you can access with app.pi.xyz. I'm going to drop the link as well. Hang on. Make sure you, if you are not able to access one of our domains, which is the app, then make sure you type in your address bar, because now we are white labeling. We pushed it live today on these domains. So make sure you type in app.pi.xyz, it will open. And now on the front end of the website, on the login and sign up page, we are going to connect. So if you are able to get into the app, you can even create your account in KYC today, no problem. You can keep it ready. Make sure you use the same email as your main WAAS account or where you are preparing to buy the subscription. Do not mess this up, please. Just people who want to start early and do KYC and try to see how they get into, just sign up and do your KYC. You guys are going to get a really good user experience. UX is pretty dope, I would say. Okay, let's hear from some more people. Rob, let me grab a bottle of water, and Rob, we hear from you. Thank you so much, Rob. Yes, it is. I can call it Rolls Royce. It's really classy, luxury. Look at the UI, the UX, the software, the app is so smooth, so ready. I haven't delivered such a ready product ever in my life. This is the first one, which is the most ready. MVP delivered.
Okay, I actually stopped the recording for a second, and I basically said that I wanted to extend my thanks and gratitude to David, but also to John and to Marco and Uli and Wallace and Gilvan and the Brazilian leaders. Thank you for your patience. So that's what I basically said. You didn't miss anything, and I called this project the Rolls-Royce amongst AI software. Now I'll continue the recording.
Can someone drop the links of app and website to YouTube as well? Because many people are commenting on YouTube that they have not got the link.
We will put it in the subscription there also. Shavez, I'm getting very nervous now, because I think a lot of other platforms will get a hard time now.
Yes.
Because, you know, if you can choose between good and excellent, then you really have something excellent here. And of course, we have to get ready. And as a community, you know, you can wait until a product is there. And, you know, we have one working product, and that is the affiliate system. And if you are building a big team, like, you know, many of us is doing here, you know, you bring leverage. And, you know, when a product like this comes, you know, like an amazing product, you wished that you had 1,000 people more in your team. And this is what I always say as an experienced networker. If you have 100% trust, then you have 100% commitment. And if you have 100% commitment, you have 100% action. And that 100% action, that gives you a result as 100%, and that increase your beliefs. So it's always belief, commitment, action, result. And that is the circle. If you believe that you can have your driver's license, then you have the commitment to book a lesson to the driving school. Then the action is that you do the driving, and then you have the result that you believe more that you have your driver's license. I cannot find anything where I can say, you know, I heard one good question from Joe, you know, when can we withdraw to the liquid pay card? Of course, that was one of the amazing questions. So, but I can tell you, I'm very experienced in compounding and trading, and you blow my mind in every aspect in this part. And if I do not answer your phone calls to all the people, if I do not answer or do not respond, then I'm networking. I'm because I want to bring this to the whole world. I did a lot of investigation in social finance, and I can tell you, we can now touch more people and change people's life if they want to have change in their lives. And I can tell you, with the whole system, what we have now is, you know, what you said, the circle is totally around. And we have to get this to everybody in the world, and we can help so many people. Even when you told me, you know, the minimum is like $10, you know. Come on, guys. If you can test this with $10. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
I can't wait. I can't wait till Friday. But until Friday, I'm going to call all my people, because that is how you bring excitement. Thank you.
We need to now bring everything, including excitement, momentum, everything. I need you guys to do everything. Okay.
Yeah, Mo is coming, you know. Mo is the short name for momentum.
Yes, Mo is coming. All right. Next is Hari Prasad ji. Hari Prasad ji, कैसे हैं आप? How are you?
बढ़िया जी, बहुत है माशाल्लाह। आपने तो ईद के लिए बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट दे दिया। We are listening from all over the world, all over the people that no, this is something, and now we can say yes, it is done. Ultimate answer to the world.